Friends, this is chapter number 6, applying animation, animating objects. These are used to make our presentations more attractive. To animate the object on the slide, select the object on the slide, choose slide show menu, then click on the custom animation option. Click add effect button in the task pane, choose entrance option, select the required effect from the list. The selected object will be added in the list in the custom animation list of the task pane. Repeat the process for other object. After setting, or click play button. Modify animation. Select the text or object on the slide. Click on the custom animation list, then click on drop down button. Finally, click on effect option. Click the effect tab in the appear dialog box. In the enhancement section, select a sound. Choose the option in the after animation drop down box to change the object color or to hide the object after animation. If you choose text object, then choose all at once by word or by letter to animate the text. Click OK button to apply the setting. To change the animation speed, select the object, select the speed in the drop down list box of custom animation task pane. First, very slow, slow, medium, fast and very fast. Very slow means takes 5 seconds to complete. Slow means approx 3 seconds time. Medium 2 seconds. Fast 1 second. Very fast 0.5 second means half second. How to change the order of animation sequence? Select the object in the custom animation. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the new position in the list. Or click up or down reorder buttons at the bottom of the list. Removing animation effect. Select the object and click remove button in the custom animation task pane. Apply transitions. These are the special visual effects. Select the slide to which we want to add transitions. Click slide show menu, slide transition option, slide transition task pane appear. Select an effect from the apply to selected slides list box. To apply the sum effect on the slide, click apply to all slide buttons. Modify transition. We can adjust the speed of the transition by clicking the speed drop down list box under the modify transition section. A sound can be set at the time of slide change during the show. To set the slide timing, check the option automatically after the enter the time for which we want the slide to appear on the screen. Applying preset animation scheme. The preset animation scheme helps us to simplify our work. Select the slide by clicking the slide under the slide tab. Select slide show menu, animation scheme options. Slide design task pane will appear. Select an animation scheme under apply to select slides list box. Previewing animation. Select the slide whose animations are to be played and then click the play button in the slide design animation scheme or custom animation task pane. Click slide show button in the task pane to preview the slide animation on full screen mode. Slide timing. Time can be set to control the flow of information on the slide during the slide show. Click slide show menu. Rehearsal timing, rehearsal dialog box as display. Click the next button when the current time clock show the time required for the slide. Continue till the end of the presentation. Click yes button to store the time of each slide. Running the slide show. Click slide show menu, view show option or view menu, slide show option or view toolbar, slide show option and or press F5 button. Here again 4 questions for you. Animations are the special visual dash क्या होते हैं इफेक्ट होते हैं या स्लाइड होती है या प्रेजेंटेशन होती है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 Animation speed of an object can be adjusted by selecting transition scheme, custom animation, or here's timing. Number 3, play button in the custom animation is used to view slideshow, preview all slide, preview effects. And the last question of the day, which key is used to run slideshow? F5 की और F2 की और F6। इस वीडियो क्लास में आपको इसका आंसर हमको शो करना है। और वीडियो कैसा लगा, और अभी भी अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो क्लिक करेंगे चैनल के सब्सक्राइब बटन के ऊपर ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। थैंक यू।